Successful contractors know that time is money, and that when systems are connected, productivity goes up while costs go down. That's why Procore and ProEst were designed to work together, all on one easy-to-access web-based platform. Simply enter estimate data in ProEst, and when jobs are awarded, information transfers to Procore with a single click. By using Procore and ProEst together, your company gets a single, seamless flow of project data from bid to closeout. Job costs, takeoffs, cost codes, reports, and other documentation move seamlessly from estimating to project management. Because you only enter data once, repetitive entry errors are eliminated, and processes that used to take days take minutes instead. How does Procore and ProEst integration work in the real world? Take a look at Oswald Company, a commercial contractor in Cincinnati, Ohio. With aggressive growth goals and a commitment to lean-focused efficiency, Oswald chose Procore as their project management solution, consolidating processes on a single web-based platform that connected people and devices across multiple teams and locations. Then, with Procore in place, Oswald replaced their Excel spreadsheets with ProEst, powerful cloud-based estimating software that streamlined bidding and pre-construction tasks and helped to optimize the capabilities of Procore. Because the two solutions worked seamlessly together, Oswald knew that the potential for time and cost savings was substantial, and they weren't disappointed. Thanks to one-click Procore and ProEst integration, awarded project data moved from ProEst to Procore automatically, eliminating days of unproductive wait time and delivering the kind of accurate information needed to protect the bottom line. Now, after 2 years of using Procore and ProEst together, Oswald is on track to grow their revenue by 25% in the next 5 years, reaching an estimated $110 million by 2025. At Oswald, revenue is growing, profit margins have increased, and the streamlined process efficiency they need to succeed is firmly in place, ready for whatever comes next.